Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a very short video of how you can unfreeze your hair without damaging it. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, click the like button and click the post notification bell so you don't miss any videos. So now I'm just showing you how the hair is, how frizzy it is. It cannot be laid down flat. So what you want to do is make sure that you comb your hair through, take out all the knots with a wide tooth comb so that you don't break the hair, so that you don't pull too much on the hair, just to gently remove all those knots. As you can see, after combing the hair, it still looks frizzy, it still looks untamed, so you want to take care of that so that it looks silky and smooth. So I'm just showing you how the hair is up close and personal so that you can see how we're going to transform this hair from root to tip. So I'll be fast forwarding the video as we go along. Now I'm just showing you a slow motion where you can see the hair in its fullest. As you can see, the ends are bad, the ends are stiff, and they don't even bounce just by me touching it. So what I'm going to show you now is how you can wash the hair. So first and foremost, you want to make sure that your hair is damp. So you're going to put cold water, not warm water, cold water. After the hair is all wet throughout, you're going to go in with your shampoo. I'm using organic shampoo for normal hair, and what I'm doing now is making sure the shampoo is inside the hair, like from the root to the tip, from the back to the end. So I'm using the same comb that I used to untangle the hair so that the shampoo could go through, like throughout the hair, from the wig cap to the roots to the ends of the hair. So now what I'm doing, after rinsing out the hair, I put on conditioner. I'm doing the same process, comb out the knots, comb out the tangling, so that we can make sure that the hair is silky smooth when it comes out. So what you want to do, you don't rinse out the conditioner. So you want to put your hair in a plastic bag, wrap it around and make sure that it's tight and closed. Then you're going to put your hair in direct sunlight. So what you want to do after putting it in direct sunlight, rinse off the conditioner, and this is how it comes out. It's still frizzy, but it's better than it was before. The before one, it was just untamable. So now the hair is dry after a few hours. It's extremely hot, so it literally just took like 2 hours to dry. So here it is after drying. It's still just not there yet. So what we're going to do is make sure that we go in with a cool hair dryer and just brush out any knots that you might find. Make sure that it's straight, make sure that it's dry all the way through, and you want to always use a comb that has wide tooth so that you don't strain the hair and put too much pressure on it, especially at this stage where it's still maybe damp in some areas. So what I just showed you there, it's a mixture that I did for all my wigs and my clients' wigs, so that I sprayed after I've done the conditioner, so that the hair is a bit more easy to comb. You don't want a lot of it, you just want a little bit, just so that the hair it's easy to manage, especially when you use a comb that is that thin. So what I just showed you now, it's a serum, and also it protects your hair from heat, since we're going to go in with a heat iron. So what I'm doing now is showing you guys the brush that I'm using. This brush, it's plastic, so it's not going to put too much pressure on the hair. And then what I'm doing now, just going in with a flat iron, and then that's totally it, and it looks fabulous. It looks straighter, the hair is manageable. Look at those ends, they are bouncy. Oh my gosh, that is how you want your ends to look like. The hair looks straight, the closure looks clean, and that's how you'd untame your hair from the first picture to this. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye bye guys.